right into it. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review, but this is going to be my first time doing an unboxing on my channel. So I'm going to be unboxing the Freetress Equal Baby Hair Lace Front Wig, and this is supposed to be the most natural synthetic wig that they have out there. It comes with baby hairs, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can focus this stock card. If I can't, I will definitely link it down below. But I don't know if you can see the picture on there, but there's baby hairs on the lace, and then the lace is a 5-inch deep part baby hair wig, and the lace center is supposed to go from ear to ear. So this is more similar to some of those human hair wigs that we're seeing out there, but they made it an affordable synthetic version for us. I purchased this wig from Sam's Beauty during their one of the sales that they have. They constantly have sales, so if you're ever looking for a good sale, check out Sam's Beauty, and they have really fast shipping, and they will get your stuff to you immediately. So of course it came with a net on it. I just took that off when I took it out the box, and it's in this little package, and this is in a little cute bob style. The hair is not a yucky texture. If you can see, it's a little shiny to me. Kind of looks silky and a little bit shiny, so I might have to add a little dry shampoo to that, but I will let you see what I think. So basically these are customized with them baby hairs for the perfect hairline, so they want to give you that illusion without spending all the money. I spent $25 on this wig, and that's with the sale going on, so that's not bad for a wig that you could just pop on and wear, so and not have to customize. So it comes already with a customized hairline. So this comes stationary with the 2 combs in the front by the parting space. I don't know if you can see that, and then there's a comb in the back. And I'm just gonna pop this on my head and see what I think. I'm wearing a flesh colored well, flesh color for me, it's a dark brown wig cap, because I want to see how it looks with this. And my hair is of course braided flat up under here, and that's another thing, ladies, make sure your hair is braided flat, because it really does give off a horrible illusion if it is not. So I'm just gonna pop this on real quick. Okay, so far, like, yeah, I definitely don't think that's a baby. It's definitely not a yucky texture. It's more silky to me, but maybe it might thicken up, you know, the longer that you wear it. But I actually really like the cut on this, and that's without the lace. So I'm gonna show you the hairline without me cutting, and you can see it looks pretty decent, huh? It looks very decent, and you can see my wig cap up under there. So I'm gonna blend that all out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off camera, and I will come back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna just undo this scarf. I've left the scarf on about 10 minutes, not a long time. And as you can see, it's pretty much on there. It is a little crusty. I think I might have sprayed too much of the Got to Be glue. I got a little happy or whatever. So far, my edges kind of got a little crusty too. So far it looks pretty good. I'm gonna try and see if I can comb out that edge a little bit. So the only thing I would say is just be careful, since this wig does have baby hairs on it. You probably don't want to spray the spray too heavily, and I think that's probably what I did here, but I still really like the way this looks. I don't know if y'all, really good and really realistic. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to blend in my baby hairs, but I'm just gonna sweep it out just a little bit. Child. I'm kind of feeling this yes, this is definitely like a Kim K bob. Now, if you are one of those people that like a fuller wig, you might not like this because this is very sleek bob. Add a lot of powder to get it to my liking, but this blended very nicely. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looks really good. I don't have any of my hair out around my hairline, so I think this is a good buy. So let me know what you guys think. I'm actually feeling like I haven't worn a bob in a minute, and this is cute. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like these wig unboxings and these reviews, let me know and I can continue to do them. I will catch you guys on my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.